Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of downtown Kingston. Now as you can see, the skyline in downtown is changing. Straight ahead is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building, 10 floors. To the left is the Bank of Jamaica building, 14 floors. And they're going to build another tower right beside it. Now as we drive into downtown Kingston, you're going to see a lot of new modern buildings. This is the Grace Kennedy building on the right. But as we drive more further into downtown, you're going to see some old buildings. So I guess you could say this is the more modern section of downtown Kingston. That's at the Scotia Centre on the left, which is 15 floors. It's now the third tallest building in Jamaica. It's the Air Jamaica building on the right. It's now owned by the UDC. So the question I want to ask you guys, what do you think they should do with these old buildings? Now, when you drive, so far, you get a different feeling of downtown Kingston. But now, as we continue driving, you're going to see some abandoned buildings, some old buildings. Buildings that literally have no historic value. No historic value. Now, there's something I've noticed in Jamaica. And guys, let me know what you think. You notice in Jamaica they don't really demolish buildings. They take the existing building and they renovate it. Now look at the building on the right. Locked up. Look at the building on the left and the right now. The building on the right doesn't even have a roof. The building on the left, locked up, abandoned. Building on the right, there's so many of these buildings. I'm wondering if the government shouldn't just go through and demolish the structures. I don't think you can take the land because it belongs to somebody. But I think they should demolish these old buildings. For one, they're not safe. So guys, what do you think? Because I've noticed it in Jamaica, like in the US. So many times you see people demolishing a building to build a completely new structure on the land. But I can't remember ever seeing that done in Jamaica where they demolish a building and build a new one. Guys, let me know what you think. If you can remember that happening, leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour of downtown Kingston. We're going to go on to Ocean Boulevard where you're going to see some even nicer buildings than the one we just passed. But let us know what you think about those old buildings. And the road we're on is actually Port Royal Street. All these old abandoned buildings, some with no roof, some with no windows. Do you think the government should demolish them? And if they shouldn't demolish them, what do you think they should do with them? Now, we're not talking about taking away the land from the owners. We're just talking about demolishing the old buildings that are not safe. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.